Here comes Don Cato and Wayne Bonker. With that 2.67 would be the first leg of a record. Gotta back it up. Don Cato went 3.130 in the Unleashed truck. He's over here on our side of the racetrack. And then Wayne in the Self-Inflicted went 2.675. They'll bring him to the line. Looking at the first leg of a record already in the books. Can he back it up right here? We're about to see. Gonna back it up with him 3% or 1%. Oh, look at here. Wheels together, side by side, out the back door. Unleashed and Self-Inflicted.